Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the genes, DNA, RNA. What are genes? Genes are the units of heredity attached on the chromosomes of the chromosome. The term gene was very first coined by Johnson. Before it was the concept given by Mendel only, that was known as the Mendelian factor. Later on, the term was elaborated in 1953 by Watson and Crick, and later in 1963 by Wilkins. So according to them, what are the genes defined as? A gene is a macromolecule or large chemical radical of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and phosphorus. It is attached to the undifferentiated proteinous thread, the chromonema of the chromosome. It passes from one cell to other and from the generation to other generation without changing its form or constitution. It is responsible for a specific phenotypic character. From the above definition, it is clear about the characteristics of the genes. These are evidenced that number one, genes are complex compounds of macromolecules form of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and phosphorus. Genes are located in the chromosomes. Genes are physiological units bearing specific characteristics. Number 4, these are able to duplicate themselves accurately. Number 5, these are very stable and follow Mendelian laws of inheritance. This can undergo mutations. Morphology of gene. The genes are very small units, estimated to be 15 micron meter by 100 micron meter or 20 micron meter by 150 micron meter. These presumed to be cylindrical or rod-like macro units. Chemical structure of genes. Research studies in the field of cytology have revealed genes to DNA molecule, one of the nucleic acid. You know, two nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA is the ribonucleic acid. DNA is found in nucleus of every cell of animal, and RNA are present in the viruses and plant cells. Some of the DNA are found in mitochondria and chloroplast also. These are the exceptions. But these are important nucleic acids present in every living organism, and they work for the synthesis of proteins and maintain the important components of the heredity. They maintain and get inherited from generation to generation. So these are the DNA molecules. During cell division, the bacterial transformation, virus research and the amount of DNA in interphase cells provide evidences in support of this concept that the genes are made up of DNA. DNA molecule is macromolecule having very high molecular weight up to several millions. It is composed of two long strands coiled together spirally. It is composed of two long strands. Each molecule consists of as many as 33,000 simpler units strung together to form a long strand. Each unit is known as nucleotide. So there are two nucleotides and they have coiled around one another in DNA, spiral, forming this spiral. A nucleotide is form of molecule of sugar, phosphate, you can say, phosphate. Sugar, pentose sugar is there. Pentose means containing 5 carbon atoms, ring of 5 carbon atoms, pentose sugar. Then phosphate molecule is there. There are certain nitrogenous bases. These bases are on the basis of containing the rings, purine bases and pyrimidine bases. Purine bases are containing 2 rings. Pyrimidine bases containing single ring. So these are attached. These are nitrogenous bases, phosphate, and all these are attached to the sugar, deoxyribonucleic pentose sugar of the DNA molecule, and thus they form a nucleoside. Nucleoside. NuCleoside, nucleoside. A nucleotide is form of molecules of sugar. Sugar, a molecule of phosphoric acid, nitrogenous organic, as I told you. Sugar present in DNA is deoxyribose sugar, a 5 carbon atom compound, means pentose sugar. Nitrogenous organic bases, these are 4 different kind of nitrogenous bases found in DNA molecule. Types are the purines and pyrimidines. These include thymine, cytosine are the pyrimidines, while the purines are the adenine and guanine. In the nucleotide, the sugar deoxyribose molecule is attached to phosphate group on one side and the molecule of purine, adenine and guanine, or pyrimidine, thymine and cytosine on the other side. So, thus there are 4 types of nucleotides. The deoxyadenyl acid or adenylic acid, deoxyguanylic acid, deoxythymidyllic acid, and deoxycytidyllic acid. So deoxyadenylic acid and guanylic acid are the purine nucleotides, and deoxythymidyllic acid and the deoxycytidyllic acid are the pyrimidines nucleotides. The nucleotides are joined together through their phosphate group, forming a chain or strand. The nucleotide of the 2 strands are also joined together through their nitrogenous bases, forming a hydrogen bond. It is notable that the adenine base or purine base of one nucleotide of a chain joins the thymine base or pyrimidine base of the nucleotide of other strand of guanine with the cytosine base. What is the molecular structure of gene? Chemically, gene is form of DNA, but what length of DNA constitute a gene? New terms have been constructed to explain the relationship between different genetic phenomena and DNA molecule. Benzer, B-E-N-Z-E-R, Benzer has coined new terms to denote the relationship between DNA molecule and genetic phenomena. These terms are to be known to you. These are certain terms, terminologies, concept of genes you can see. There are recons, R-E-C-O-N, recon. This is the smallest unit of DNA capable of the undergoing crossing over and recombination. A recon may be as small as one nucleotide pair in DNA. Recon, एकच म्हणजे एक प्युरिन बेस, एक प्युरिमिडिन बेस, पेंटोज शुगर ची जोडी आणि अशा प्रकारे एका बाजूला रेकॉन कॅन बी सिंगल पेयर. Muton, it is the smallest unit of DNA which could undergo mutation. It is smallest expression. It represents the change in pair of nucleotide. Any change in the base of triplet will modify the message carried out by the codon. I repeat it again. What is muton? Muton is the smallest unit of DNA which could undergo mutation. Its smallest expression, it represents changes in the pair of nucleotides. Any change in the base of triplet will modify the message carried by codon. Number 3, cistron. What is cistron? It is the unit of function. It is a gene in real sense which consists of number of nucleotides and which is capable of synthesizing polypeptide chain of enzymes. It means a cistron will consist of nucleotide 3 times the number of total amino acid. Sequence of the 3 nucleotide codes for 1 amino acid and it presents the polypeptide chain for which it has coded information. Cistron has coded information. Another term is complon, C-O-M-P-L-O-N. It is a unit of complementation. It has been used to replace cistron. In certain enzymes, these are form of 2 or more polypeptide chains whose active group are complementary to each other. Number 5, next up is the operon. What is operon? Operon is a combination of operator gene and a sequence of structure gene which act together as units. Therefore, it is composed of several genes. The effect of operator gene may be additive or suppressive. So it is a operator. Operon is combination of operator gene and a sequence of structure genes which act together as unit. Therefore, it is composed of several genes, operon composed of several genes. The effect of operator gene may be additive or suppressive. Next term is the replicon. It is unit of replication. Several replicons constitute the chromosome. What is the function of gene? Gene act mainly by producing enzymes which are involved in the different steps of the metabolism. Gene act mainly by producing enzymes which are involved in the different steps of metabolism. Enzymes are proteins, form of polypeptide chain of amino acids. There are about 20 different amino acids. Their arrangement determines different types of proteins. The sequence of amino acids is polypeptide chain is determined by genes which contain the information in the form of genetic code, triplet sequence of nitrogenous bases in the DNA molecule. The process of enzyme action has been discussed in chromosome physiology also. So these genes are the segment of DNA. And what are DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is found in the cells of all the living organisms except plant and viruses, where their genetic material is RNA, ribonucleic acid. Some of the viruses could be having DNA and they are termed as DNA viruses. Otherwise, viruses are mainly made up of the RNA only. DNA is a molecule of very high molecular weight, which may measure to several millions. In eukaryotic cell, the DNA occurs in the form of the spiral, while in prokaryotic cell, it is circular. Chemical composition, I already discussed with you that the DNA molecule is form of sugar, the phosphoric acid, the two nitrogenous bases, purines and pyrimidines. The nitrogenous bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine and uracil. It can be, uracil is found in RNA only, not in DNA. Purines are the two ring compounds. These purines are adenine and guanine, while pyrimidines are single ring compound. They are thymine and cytosine. Chemical analysis of DNA further reveal three fundamental features. Which are these three fundamental features? Let us see. Regardless of the source, the purine and pyrimidine components occur in equal amount. It means the amount of thymine and cytosine equal to amount of adenine and guanine. The amount of adenine is equivalent to amount of thymine, or the amount of cytosine is equivalent to the amount of guanine, because these are bounded together. Number 3, the basis ratio. For example, adenine thymine to guanine cytosine may vary in DNA of different groups of animals, but is constant for particular species. Therefore, the ratio has been used to characterize the DNA from particular source. Thus, the chemical analysis suggests that some unusual relationship exists between particular bases. Molecular structure of the DNA was very first given by Watson and Crick. They have provided the DNA model. It constitutes the constituents of DNA were isolated quite early, but how these were arranged so as to carry out their cytological and genetical activities what was not known for long. Constituents of the DNA was known, but how they are arranged it was not known. So this idea was given by Watson and Crick. Later, in 1953, D.S. Watson and Crick presents a working model of DNA. Watson and Crick model of DNA is not only illustrative of its chemical nature but also the mechanism by which the DNA duplicates itself. A DNA is a macromolecule being formed of several thousand units of monomers. These units are known as the nucleotides. A nucleotide is formed of one molecule of deoxyribose, one molecule of phosphoric acid, and one of the four nitrogenous bases. The nitrogenous base with the molecule of deoxyribose contribute the nucleoside. With the four nitrogenous bases, there are four types of the nucleotides and four types of the nucleotides. Four types of the nucleosides, I repeat, nucleosides, side, and nucleotides. Four nitrogenous bases, there are four types of the nucleoside. Four nitrogenous bases, there are four types of the nucleosides, and so four types of the nucleotides. The four nucleotides are known as the deoxyadenylate acid, adenine plus deoxyribose plus phosphoric acid. This constitutes the deoxyadenylate acid. Another, deoxyguanylic acid. I repeat it. Deoxyguanylic acid means composition of guanine, deoxyribose, and phosphoric acid. Then the deoxycytidylate acid, composed of cytosine, deoxyribose, and phosphoric acid. Then there is deoxythymidylate acid, form of thymine plus the deoxyribose plus phosphoric acid. All this. Thus, these are the nucleotides. They are entitled deoxyadenylate acid, deoxyguanylic acid, deoxycytidylate acid, deoxythymidylate acid. Likewise, in the nucleotide of the phosphoric acid, molecule, the phosphoric acid molecule is attached to the fifth carbon atom of the deoxyribose molecule through an ester link. The adjacent nucleotide are connected together forming a sugar phosphate chain. Phosphate molecule joins the third carbon atom of the deoxyribose of next nucleotide. The nitrogenous base is attached to the first carbon atom of deoxyribose. These are directed at right angles to the long axis of the polynucleotide chain. Many nucleotides, and they get together, held together to form the chain, polynucleotide chain, and are stacked one above the other. One end of the polynucleotide chain has a sugar residue with C3 not linked to the another nucleotide, and other end with sugar residue carbon 5 that is not linked. These are named 3' and 5' ends, where the carbon atoms are not linked together, not linked to another nucleotide. 3' end and 5' end. 3' end and 5' ends, respectively, representing the number 3 carbon atom and number 5 carbon atom in the pentose sugar ring. Chain is not straight but helical in shape. Watson and Crick suggested that the DNA or the DNA molecule, there are two such polynucleotide chains arranged anti-parallel or in opposite direction, so as the 3' end of one lies besides the 5' end of the other. In such structure, the phosphate group of nucleotides in each chain or strain lies on the outside of the deoxyribose, as the nitrogenous bases are directed inward. Nitrogenous bases of the two chain are linked together through hydrogen bonds formed between oxygen and nitrogen atoms of adjacent bases. The unique feature of pairing between bases is purines, adenine and guanine, pair with pyrimidines, cytosine and thymine, and adenine pair with thymine and cytosine pair with guanine, A2T and C2Z. Likewise, these are definite reasons for such a specific pairing because it forms the perfect match between hydrogen donor and hydrogen acceptor. Hydrogen donor and hydrogen acceptor sites on the two molecules. The adenine and thymine share two hydrogen atoms, whereas cytosine and guanine are joined by 3 hydrogen bonds. Such a pairing is further supported by occurrence of constant diameter of DNA in a limited area. A 2-ring molecule joins a single ring molecule thereby maintaining a constant and regular equal distance. The distances between the different bonds are indicated in figure. The distance between the sugar molecule of two strands is about 11.0 angstrom. Distance between the sugar molecule of the two strands is 11.0 angstrom. Moreover, the angle between the bonds linking carbon atoms with the nitrogenous bases is the same, 51 angstrom. DNA then consists of two complementary chains twisted around each other. One turn of the helix measures about 34 angstrom. It contains 10 pairs of nucleotides. One turn of helix measures about 34 angstrom and contains 10 pairs of nucleotides placed at regular intervals of 3.4 angstrom. The diameter of helix is roughly 20 angstrom. Diameter, width, the narrow helical groove a wide helical groove there are two grooves form in the helix, narrow and wide, two grooves, narrow helical groove and a wide helical groove run the length of DNA helix. Narrow groove is distance between the paired molecules. Narrow groove is the distance between the paired molecules, while the wide groove is space between successive turns when the pair is wound into helix. Much evidences have been collected in recent years to make Watson and Crick hypothesis one of the most firmly entrenched generalization of biological theory. X-ray diffraction studies, direct visualization and electron microscope, melting point and enzymatic digestion studies afford evidences that suggest that two such chains are compounded into double condition by link provided by purine and pyrimidine constituents of nucleotides. Also, these data indicate that each cross link is composed of one pyrimidine coupled to one purine by bond provided by hydrogen atom. These hydrogen bonds are relatively weak and readily broken. Furthermore, by precise analytical method, it has been found that each of the two purines which enter into DNA structure constantly occurs in the identical proportion as a certain pyrimidine constituents of the molecule. That is, the amount of adenine in one strand of DNA is identical with the amount of thymine in the other strand. Therefore, the rungs of the spiral staircase like molecule of DNA are composed of four combinations of the purine pyrimidine, that is adenine, thymine, thymine to adenine, cytosine to guanine to cytosine, cytosine to guanine. These combinations are said to be arranged in various sequences to form the code. This coding serves as actual mechanism of the heredity. Oh, how does this DNA replicate? The mechanism of DNA replication can easily be understood by Watson and Crick model of DNA that is accepted as the plausible model. During replication of nucleotide, DNA molecules split up. DNA molecules split up by the separation of their hydrogen bonds. As a result, two chains of the spiral DNA molecule separate and uncoil. As hydrogen bonds between the nitrogenous bases of the two strands are very weak, their separation does not require a great expenditure of energy. The chain of thus separated are complements of other together. If chain 1 has A as partial rung, chain 2 will have T, or if the chain 1 has C, chain 2 will have G. Once the separation is completed, the nucleotide of separated chains start attracting their complementary nucleotides or precursors from the environment within the cell, and thus replaces each of their complementary bases that was separated from it in uncoiling and bond breaking. According to Watson and Crick, the hypothesis only A radical could couple to T, G to C, and so on. Once the nucleotide purine pyrimidine are attached by their hydrogen bonds to their normal respective opposites, adjacent sugar radicals unite with one another by their phosphate components. Thus, a new chain exactly similar to parent is rebuilt. Therefore, each chain of DNA molecule serves as a model or template on which its complements are built up. To answer as to how two original DNA strands unzip and then coil up into a new DNA molecule, Michelson and Stahl propose that during the replication, the two strands do not separate completely and then synthesize their replica. Instead, they start unzipping at one end, and simultaneously unzipped segments start attracting their respective nucleotide pairs. In this way, the unzipping of the original DNA strands and synthesis of fresh DNA strand go side by side, and each end of replication, two daughter DNA molecules having one parental and one synthesized strand are formed. Thus, two daughter DNA molecules are formed, just a replica of parent DNA. Biological significance of DNA should be known to us. Number 1, DNA replicates itself accurately. Number 2, DNA has sufficiently stable structure and is least liable to mutations or heritable changes. Number 3, DNA has potentiality to carry all kinds of necessary biological information. DNA is capable of transmitting or translating these informations to cells in the form of character or reactions. We shall discuss about the ribonucleic acid now. What is the location of ribonucleic acid? It is found stored in the nucleolus and distributed in cytoplasm and ribosome. Ribonucleic acid, RNA. Chemical composition of RNA is, it is the macromolecule form of several nucleotides arranged in a linear sequence. Each nucleotide is composed of sugar, phosphoric acid, and the nitrogen base, as in case of DNA. But it exhibits following differences to the DNA, that are, its sugar is ribose in place of deoxyribose of DNA sugar. Number 2, one of the 4 nitrogenous bases which are found in DNA, these are the same, but the 4th is uracil in place of thymine. The manner of linking of nucleotides and the sequence of nitrogenous bases correspond to that of the DNA, but RNA molecules are single-stranded structures and lack double helical configuration. Although single-strand, the RNA molecule may remain folded back on itself to attain stability. 3 types of RNA could be found. They are isolated from cytoplasm. Messenger RNA, ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA are the types. The nuclear RNA or the messenger RNA, mRNA. As the name indicates, nuclear RNA occurs in nucleus and is about 10% of the total weight of RNA found in the cell. It is formed as the complete complementary strand to one of the 2 strands of DNA. It is notable messenger RNA synthesis, notable that only one of the 2 strands of DNA is used as template for messenger RNA synthesis. Therefore, each messenger RNA molecule carries the same sequence of base distribution as found in that part of DNA from which it copies, except that thymine of DNA is substituted by uracil in messenger RNA. It means that messenger RNA contains information copied from the specific DNA. Messenger RNA, along with the synthesized in the nucleus, although it is synthesized in nucleus, diffuse out into the cytoplasm, where it deposited upon certain number of ribosomes, where synthesis of protein takes place. In ribosome, the protein synthesis takes place. It acts as template for protein synthesis and translate the information coded in DNA in the form of protein by acting as the template for the interconnection of different amino acids carried for this template. For this reason, Jacob and Monod called this RNA as messenger RNA or mRNA as following characteristics. Which are these characteristics? Number one, it has